So in this video, I'm going to be looking at questions 5 and question 6 from the homework. Question 5 is 23 over 24, subtract 3/8. So I'm going to write that down. 23 over 24, subtract 3/8. Right, so what I need to do is I need to make my denominators the same, and I'm going to use 24 as my denominator because 8 is a factor of 24. So that means this fraction can stay the same. I need to multiply 8 by 3 to make 24, which means I've also got to multiply 3 by 3, which makes 9. So now I've got 23 over 24, subtract 9 over 24. 23 subtract 9 is 14, and I keep the 24 the same. Now this fraction can be simplified. Both of these numbers can be divided by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7, and 24 divided by 2 is 12. And I can't make that any smaller than it is. So 7 over 12 is my answer. Going back now to look at question number 6, which is 3 4/7, subtract 1 5/8. So let me write that out. 3 4/7, subtract 1 5/8. So the first thing I've got to do is turn these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So I'm going to do 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. 21 multiplied by 21 plus 4 is 25. And then I'm going to do 1 multiplied by 8 is 8, plus 5 is 13. Okay, now I need to make my denominators the same. This gets a bit tricky. But the first number that 7 and 8 are both factors of is 56. So I'm going to use 56 as my denominator. I have to multiply 7 by 8 to make 56. So now I've got to multiply 25 by 8. 25 times by 8 is 200. And now I multiply 8 by 7 to get 56, which means I've got to multiply 13 by 7 as well, which is 91. Now I'm going to do 200 take away 91, which is 109 over 56. That's an improper fraction. It's very top heavy. So I need to see if I can change that into a mixed number. Now there's one lot of 56 in 109 and 53 left over, and I don't think that can be simplified.